Hello. Good morning. That's my train. So I set up my computer so that I could get some work done while I'm here. It's about an hour and a half until we get to Chicago, and then I switch trains, and then I think it's a straight shot to Denver. So it's all set up. My mom bought me some of my favorite M&Ms. I'm just gonna put in some headphones. Probably dish out about 2 videos. And then I'll be in Denver. You want to be in my video?
Yeah.
This is Lee. He was sitting in front of me and he kept peeking over at me, so I asked him if he wanted to be in the video. Say hello. So I have 3 hours here. After the 3 hours, then I hop on a train from 2 p.m. until 7-something a.m. I'm gonna walk around for like 40 minutes, get some cool shots, and then I am going to be back here. I don't really feel comfortable walking around with my bag. I gotta say, it does feel a lot more natural to have a tripod on my camera and have a microphone. So then I don't have to worry about me not talking loud enough. Just like, imagine my whole Chicago video, but with this microphone on. It would have been so much better. Looks to be double-decker. That's pretty cool. There's a top floor, then a bottom floor. They sure are making me walk pretty far. This is a very long train. It's a pretty small stairway. So this is the train ride that takes me from 2 p.m. all the way to 7:15 a.m. and
oh, sorry. That's how slow the train's going right now. It's been about
almost 3 hours since I've been on here. I'm gonna head back to my car. Oh wow, I just got a wonderful view of the street. They're all gone. Wasn't hard at all to wake up to see the sunrise because I could barely sleep. I woke up too much. So it's super foggy back there. And I've never been more mad at myself for not taking a picture than right then, because there's a bird sitting on a post. It was foggy, and then there were these weeds, these bushes, and it looked so good, but my mind just froze at that moment and I missed the shot altogether. But this morning has been beautiful so far. I don't know what the train conductor is doing, but he needs to slow down the train a little bit.
Oh, there they are.